Personal Development Quarter 1. Lesson 6, Significant People in Life. Recognizing the significant people in a person's life is closely related to his growth and well-being. So as adolescents face critical changes and deal with transition, it is high time to notice the people who positively influence them to carry out the tasks expected of them to accomplish. So this kind of connection secure a basis of emotional security and adds to their personal development. So this topic is divided into two lessons. Lesson 1, significant people in life. Lesson 2, evaluating one's development through the help of others. So for the objectives, number 1 is we have to identify the significant people in adolescents' life. So kailangan daw ma-identify natin sino ba yung mga significant people in our life. And we have also differentiate their contributory factor on one's development. Ano ba yung nako-contribute nito sa ating development? And identify who among these people influence an individual the most. Sino ba dito ang mas nakaka-impluwensya sa atin? And also, assess personal development. So, assess natin yung mga personal growth and development na meron tayo. And for the last one is evaluate one's development through the help of others. So, we have to evaluate ano ba yung development na natutulong sa atin ng ibang tao. The objective of this lesson is evaluates one development through the help of significant people around him or her, with peers, parents, siblings, friends, teacher, community leaders. Significant people in life. So being a senior high school is another stage of life that young adolescent like you need to prepare with the pace of adversaries that challenge your well-being. And with full of the confidence and logical thinking, you can be guided with any decision to take in life. So as you continuously progress in every learning situation, it is fitting to look back at the people who molded you to become better as a person. You have to ask this question. So, what important role did they play in your life? So, ano ba daw yung parang important role na naibibigay sa inyo ng mga tao sa paligid nyo? Next is, what influences did you get from them? So, ano ba yung mga influence na nakukuha mo sa kanila? Next is, how do you choose people who stay in your circle? Paano ba tayo pumipili ng mga tao na nagstay with our circle? And what are the behavioral characteristics do you consider in looking for peers? So, ano ba yung mga characteristic na gusto mo na makikita para sa mga taong nasa within your circle? Influential people in my life. So, eto na. People normally look up to influential personalities who have shown greatness in terms of leadership, intelligence, creativity, talents, and charisma. So, they usually listen to their strong belief system that brings so much inspiration and positive energy to others' life. As an adolescent, choose their idol whom they have seen in social media and from the society they get involved with. So, because of the example they model, they get inspiration and imbibe their positive outlooks in life. So these are some of the people who molded you in many ways, in many significant ways, and have become part of your existence. So sino-sino nga ba yung mga tao na nasa paligid natin, okay? So number 1 dyan is our parents. So parents natin are the first people who introduce you into life. And they provide shelter, protection, and sense of security no matter what happens. The concept of home is formed coupled with love and much sacrifices that either your mother and father is willing to give. They teach the first valuable lesson in life that became an integral part of your personality as you continue to discover the world. They get involved with your education and happy to see you achieve and discover potential. Number 2 is your siblings. So your siblings is friends within the family. They extend the valuable help whenever you are in need of assistance. They teach you the concept of socialization, mutual understanding, and respect. Like friendship, your relationship with your sister or brother requires communication and acceptance. Although these agreements are normal part of among siblings, it is important to understand that all of you have set up differences. So siblings bond is nothing compared with any other bonds in the world. It is a foundation, is anchored with much love and appreciation. And number three is we have also friends. So friends are like extended siblings who came from the different families. They give us a sense of belongingness for an individual would always want to be part of something. They help us improve on our social connection, emotional stability, and inspire intellectual capacity. Friends bring out the best in a person, and they share mutual interests, hobbies, and aspiration. And we as teachers are the second parents in the school. They help you improve the intellectual and emotional capacity to handle difficult situations in life. So they guide you to understand the valuable lesson about life that would last for a lifetime. And their influence does not fade because they provide exceptional impact towards self-realization and self-discovery. So being the role model in a class, they set example to learners who need much guidance in school. Also, we have the community leaders. So community leaders provide the network connection and linkages among other parts of the community. So they inspire adolescents to get involved with the community services through outreach programs, social activities, and volunteer works. So they model innovation to help improve the community whom they serve. And effective leaders set inspiration to others by setting a good example by following the policies that they try to implement. Adolescents like you can learn from their accomplishment and may get inspired to become servant leaders in the future. So, what I have learned from others. So, this one is the activity. So, in this activity, you have to allow yourself to probably describe what you have felt from the different situation you shared with them. So, use the table below to indicate your answer. In lesson 2, we are going to talk about the evaluating one's development through the help of others. So, dito naman i-evaluate natin yung one's development sa tulong ng mga ibang tao. So, a person's development is always attributed to the influences he or she got from involving with other people and society. And it's very important to evaluate personal progress to get track on the level of skill acquired and to focus on aspects of self that need to be improved. To effectively facilitate this, there is need to assess oneself through the help of other people. Their honest feedback means so much to preview plan of actions and realign them to address the goal that you set for yourself. Okay? So, the objective of this lesson is eto uli, evaluate one's development through the help of significant people around you. So, assessment on personal development. So, how does each agent influence you as a person? So, paano daw ba ito nakaka-impluwensya sa inyo? How did they contribute to your personal development? With their help, to what extent have you improved in terms of emotional, intellectual, spiritual, and the social aspect? Significant people in life are also agents of socialization. So, ibig sabihin, these are people, yung mga significant people natin, sila din pala yung mga agents ng ating socialization. So, self-improvement comes with an effective interaction of the different agency within the society. The people whom you consider significant in life are also called the agents of socialization. So, these are your family. Number one is your family, siblings, peers, teachers, and community leaders. So, they help you discover more of yourself. Okay? So, sila talaga yung tutulong sa'yo para malaman mo at mas makilala mo yung iyong sarili and join you in exploring what you need to know about the world. As the person continue to progress, he or she would realize the many potential that have been influenced by any of these people. Through the process of socialization, adolescents are exposed to many learning opportunities. As they learn, they would notice additional skill and build up the character under the influence of people whom they look up to. Adjustment of a behavioral display is done so as to fit the norms of the society where one intends to join. So this process also allows an individual on how to interact with different people having varied culture. During such exposure, culture is learned and acquired. Mutual understanding is developed and the nature of collaboration is established. So there are many benefits that an adolescent can enjoy upon deciding the socializing with the right kind of people. So since much of the learning comes within the environment, young people are always encouraged to search for the worthwhile organization that can bring out the best in them. Kaya nga po, ini-encourage namin kayo to join an organization kahit dito sa loob ng school. Success is a social interaction would have a lasting effect on a personal development. So since human interaction happen as long as you live, it is fitting to know the proper way on how to effectively express your thought to reach for others. So these skills is communicating must be learned as early as childhood and could be mastered during adolescence. So family is one of the most important agent of socialization, has given you the knowledge of self-care. As you learn to take care of yourself, this is also done towards the way you deal with other agents in society. And parents teach the value of relationship. So this is significant because you would develop multiple relationships as you explore further the world. And they give you their system of belief, tradition, culture, and values that you can use for discernment during the difficult decision making. Peers would always have a great deal of influence in your life. So it is a rightful. Therefore, for parents, they feel worried about the circle of friends and you get involved with. It is difficult for parents to see if adolescent cause astray from right path of the self-realization. Therefore, it is necessary to carefully select the right set of individuals who would contribute to bringing out the best in your capabilities. So this is a great opportunity to display how much value you put in your relationship. It's such friendship would last for a longest time there. Teachers are also special agent we see in school, a place where many exciting memories are forged through time as we collaborate with peers. So they mold us in so many ways. The role is not only to teach us the concept of socialization, but give us the opportunity to discover much more about socializing. So school is the appropriate a place to formally learn academic skills like comprehension, analytical thinking, logical reasoning, subject knowledge transfer, and creative visualization. So all of these are learned through the help of the teachers who gave so much inspiration to love learning at all costs. With their constant guidance and your willingness to learn, your future success is secured. Community leaders need to develop selfless future leaders as well. So since they have an important role in our community development, they are exceeding so much help in addressing the needs of adolescents, particularly in community involvement and civic responsibility. So because of this selfless service towards other people, young generation like you can also get inspired by the example and reaching out for those who are in need. So youth leadership opportunities are also provided as means to develop a spirit of volunteerism. And all it takes is get yourself involved. Kailangan lang maging involved kayo with the activities that can improve you more as a person who has a significant contribution in any given society. So, in this activity, how do I define it? So, ito i-define lang natin for activity 1, activity 3. Thank you and God bless you.